If you've ever needed to edit a PDF and ended up downloading some sketchy software or paying for a subscription you forgot to cancel, there's a better way. It's called ZenDocs, and it might be the cleanest PDF tool I've seen in a while. ZenDocs runs entirely in your browser. You go to ZenDocs.com, upload your file, and you're in. That's it. And don't let the simplicity fool you. This thing is fully loaded. You can convert PDFs to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or image formats. You can go the other direction too, turning Word docs, spreadsheets, even images into clean PDFs. Need to merge files, split a PDF, compress it, or delete pages? All in there. You can also fill out forms, highlight text, leave comments, reorder pages, and even sign documents digitally, all without touching a single desktop app. The editor itself is really intuitive. If I need to fix a typo, swap out an image, tag a teammate on a comment, it takes a few clicks and you're done. And it works on desktop, tablet, or phone, with your work syncing automatically across devices. Security-wise, everything runs over HTTPS, and you can add password protection to your files if you need that extra layer. Now, is it completely free? There is a 7-day trial for 99 cents, which honestly is nothing when you consider what you're getting access to. If you handle PDFs even occasionally for work, this will save you real time. Now, ZenDocs keeps it simple. It works beautifully and doesn't make you jump through hoops. One thing I really like is that you don't have to commit right away. That 7-day trial lets you test everything properly, not just 1 or 2 features. Upload a few real documents, try the editing tools, convert some files, and see if it actually fits your workflow. And what I appreciate is that there's no learning curve. Within a few minutes, you already know where everything is. It feels straightforward, which is exactly what you want from a PDF tool. Because at the end of the day, a PDF editor should save you time, not add extra steps. Link is in the description. You should go try it. As always, if this helped, hit like and subscribe. And drop a comment. What's the most annoying thing about dealing with PDFs? Let me know, because probably we've all been there. Thanks for watching.